MVP is a minimum viable product, a primary and necessary version covering the product's fundamental components and features, focusing on end users' core requirements and necessities. MVP helps software engineers facilitate the advancement process. Also, this is one reason why MVP is significant. The product is then again tested on the marketplace to check whether it can succeed. To play out this initial testing, the product only needs the most essential and fundamental functionality. Anything beyond primary functionality is excluded. The minimum viable product version is a tool to help decide the product's potential. The MVP strategy can be utilized to build up any product, including versatile mobile applications and websites. What does viable mean? Before diving too deep, we should have a more intensive glance at what viable means. Viability is tied in with delivering enough value to users. Guaranteeing the viability of the product is one of the vital attributes of MVP development. What a product does is considerably more significant than how it does it. 61% of the functionality of the average product isn't utilized in any way. This functionality is pointless and is a waste of development assets. A reasonable and viable product meets user demands by performing one primary function. The way to progress is balancing viable and minimum to ensure you create a product that individuals will utilize. Here's an example. Minimum: a used car in front of a house with a "for sale" sign on it. The problem your clients need to address: find a decent pre-owned vehicle in Connecticut. Minimum plus viable: a rundown of offers manually gathered from Facebook, incorporates car descriptions, photographs, and contact subtleties of sellers. Viable: a fast site dependent on a scalable language like Python that has client profiles, a search field, messaging options, and notifications. For what reason is a minimum viable product important? An MVP helps you get early information that affirms users' advantage and interest in your product. Positive outcomes at the MVP stage give the green light to build up the full version. By testing and creating a minimum viable product, you can check whether the product is appealing and hitting to potential users. Save time and assets by ensuring you're investing in a project that will probably be fruitful. Find out which trends you can exploit when developing the full version of the product. Acquire a potential client base and find early adopters. Attract investors prior. Save time and cash on developing the final product. 6 high-fidelity kinds of MVPs. There are 6 high-fidelity sorts of MVPs you can use to gather user feedback before delivering a full-fledged product. A concierge MVP encourages you to test your idea utilizing human-powered assistance. In other words, automated components are supplanted by humans. Each client gets white glove treatment. Accordingly, you associate with users and find out about how they react to your idea. A piecemeal MVP is a modest method of acquainting an application with clients. A functional demo of your product, a piecemeal MVP is built and worked from off-the-shelf tools and a bit of development. At the point when put together, these tools actualize and implement the product's fundamental functionality. A Wizard of Oz MVP focuses on creating the impression that what the client is utilizing is the outcome. It's as yet being worked on. A landing page MVP is used to portray a product or service and incorporates an exceptional value proposition. Generally, the unique value proposition is a rundown of the product's preferences. Your landing page MVP ought to include your product's name, a depiction of what it's for and its worth, and a clarification of how it's different from alternatives on the market. Another alternative for an MVP is an illustrative video or a minute or so long animation that clarifies and explains the product's benefits. It is generally enough to grab the attention of potential users. Besides, a video can rapidly go viral. An email MVP includes manually making a solitary email with an offer and sending it to a whole rundown of contacts to check whether there's an ideal response. Make MVP idea work for you. Each business needs evidence that their product is something that customers need and are prepared to pay for. Minimal viable product is a considerable step for each startup to test whether you are going precisely. It would be best if you remember that a real MVP should serve your clients first, tackle one specific issue, be easy to launch at short notification, and have an easy-to-navigate UI. MVP assists puzzle out what highlights are the most significant and what highlights the product lacks. It is valuable for all startups to follow an MVP idea in the initial development. Tips for MVP advancement. The minimum viable product version of your product should showcase its fundamental functionality and purpose. Time spent on development ought to be negligible. But this should not deprive your product and service of its unique selling focuses. A bill must production.